Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Facebook story because it's not working. So guys, without wasting any time, let me tell you that when you try to put the story on the Facebook, let me show you here guys, when you try to add the story. So let me show you here guys, here's the story, tap on OK. So you can see here is the music icon. So you can see lot of music up here. Okay guys, you can add the music from here. So guys, if you want to add the music and it's not working for you guys, then I'll show you how can you fix it. You can also see music option here. Okay guys, if it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open App Store, Play Store. So just simply have to search for the Facebook. So let me search here. So just simply have to tap on Facebook, and first of all you have to update the app. As you can see guys, it's asking me to update it. So just simply have to update the app. So after updating the app guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. After that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. So guys, after updating the app, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on iPhone storage. You can also uninstall the app from here and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then there is maybe glitch in your device, that's why it's not working. Just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shutdown. Just simply have to power off your device at least for the 2 or 3 minutes and then turn it on again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then there's maybe glitch in the app, maybe that's why it's not working. Just simply have to wait for some hours, and after that automatically your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.